Hi everyone, my name is MyBlue and today I will teach you phrases in Serbian that you can use in order to get what you want. I've noticed that my most successful videos are videos about useful phrases in Serbian, and I'm guessing because they're successful, they are useful to you, and that's why I'm coming up with another video on possible phrases that you can use and that you would hear in Serbia. Mind you, these are very simple phrases, so for beginners, they are very transparent and they are very direct. And also they might be very funny, so use them with specific people. Use them with people that you know quite well so that maybe some other people don't get mad. And you will understand why I'm saying this later on when we cover all of them. But once again, you will definitely hear all of these, almost all of these, everywhere in Serbia when you're talking to your friends, your family, your partner. If you're a tourist in Serbia, it doesn't really matter, but this is something you will absorb all the time. So let's cover them. The first one is the one that you can use if you want to get something. So the verb that you would usually use would be to give or to pass, which is in Serbian dati. I know, it kind of sounds like dare in Italian, and maybe they are connected somehow. For those of you who know Italian, I'm guessing that this is going to be quite simple to learn this word. Let's reenact a situation. You want to say, give me water. Daj mi vodu. So the imperative form is daj. Let's do another one. Give me money. Daj mi pare. Or pass me the remote. Daj mi daljinski. And you can also say, where is my something? So where is my purse? Gde mi je tašna? Where is gde? Mi is basically to me. Je is tašna, purse. Where is my coffee? Gde mi je kafa? Where is my paycheck? Gde mi je plata? It's also essential for you to say I want something, which is hoću. I want is hoću. So if you want to say I want coffee, it will be hoću kafu. I want ice cream, hoću sladoled. What else? I want peace, hoću mir. If you want to say, come over here, that is dođi ovamo or dođi ovde. So there are several ways of saying it, as everything else in Serbian. Now let's move on to vocabulary that you can use if you want to tell someone, tidy up this, clean that, wipe this off, organize this. I've been using this vocabulary for quite a while with my boyfriend, even in Serbian sometimes, so this is very familiar to me. So if you want to tell someone clean the kitchen or tidy up the kitchen, you can say spremi kuhinju. Tidy up the room, spremi sobu. Tidy up the bedroom, spremi spavaću sobu. Or if you want to say do the dishes or wash the dishes, operi sudove. Do the laundry, operi veš. But it's also essential to say, let me be or leave me alone, which is pusti me. Or pusti me na miru. Let's learn some words that imply negation. The most important one you should already know, which is ne, no. There's a very funny thing that you can use if you want to express your disapproval of something. So you can just use, you didn't pass the exam. Usually just use 3, but you can just continue how long you want. If you write it down, it will be ts, ts, ts. Then you already learned how to say I want to, but you should know how to say I don't want to. So we have hoću, I want to, and neću, I don't want to. Use it. You're welcome. For example, if someone asks you, can I borrow your car? Da li mogu da pozajmim tvoj auto? Then you can answer ne može, which would be it's not possible. But basically you're saying I don't want to do this for you. I don't want to lend you my car. Or you can just say ne dam, which would basically be I'm not allowing it. Period. For example, give me that glass over there. Daj mi tu čašu. Ne dam. Basically, you are the one who is not allowing it because you have certain rights a certain control. So you can just say, no, from my side, not allowed. And that's it. I really hope you enjoyed these phrases. I really hope they're going to be useful to you, and you definitely need to know some of them. Hope I helped you with your acquisition of useful phrases in Serbian, and see you in the next video. Pozdrav!